Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, it's that time to check what is in our flyers this week. More specifically, of course, we're looking to see if there are any coupon inserts. So if you want to see what is in my flyers this week, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. This is hard to do with one hand. Let's see if we can manage here. There we go. Okay, so our usual culprits, we have Shoppers Drug Mart, we have Canadian Tire. Let's take those out of the way. We have the ever infamous Walmart. What's this? Oh, I thought it was a coupon insert. It's not. It's the Walmart Style Book. Oh, let's put that aside. Curious to see that. Lowe's. Oh, look what I see here. We have a Smart Source insert. So let's move everything out of the way and have a look-see. So this time around, it's Smart Source. And as you can see here, it, as usual, starts off with some advertisement for Sleep Country. Okay, guys, this is a high-value coupon. Super excited because if you've watched my videos in the past, you would have seen that for whatever reason, my insert, I don't know if it's the area, I did not receive the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Usually the East Coast receive them, or other parts of Ontario. Here in, well, downtown Toronto, we did not receive these. So I'm super excited to say we did this time around. So this is the $1 off, and these tend to go on sale quite regularly, at times for 99 cents. It's usually a 2-3 time a year deal. So these can potentially be free. Yes, please. And these have an expiry date of June 30th. So let's watch out for those deals. And this is one of my favorite barbecue sauces. Okay, super excited. Great start. Next we have the buy two, save $1.50, and these are participating products including Black Diamond lactose-free cheese bars, Black Diamond lactose-free cheese strings, Lactancia lactose-free milk, Lactancia lactose-free butter, and Astro lactose-free yogurt in all sizes and formats. So buy two, save $1.50. Okay, we have some more advertisement for Rubbermaid. We have $1 when you buy any 2 Rubbermaid take-along products, or save $2 when you buy any 1 Rubbermaid beverage container. And then we have some more advertisement. Boo! And there's this here, the One Touch Vario Flex Meter. Disappointed. Well, I guess beggars can't be choosers. I am super, super excited about this Sweet Baby Ray's. So let me know down below if you received this insert, and have you received the Baby Ray's in the past, because this is a first for me, so I'm excited about that. Let's just check, make sure there's no other ones hiding in here. I don't think there are, but you just never know. We had a surprise a couple weeks ago. No, I think that is it. Yes, that's it. Sorry guys, just a bit of a bonus. I wanted to share this one with you because I didn't upload a video last week because, as I'll mention in one of my videos, it was extremely a busy week for me last week. But I also did receive this insert. It's Retail Me Not Every Day. Savings you love on things you need every day. So on the very first page, we have coupons for Sonicare, save $10, and the Sonicare Air Floss. We have the Veleda Scrub Sponges, buy one, get one free. So that's a nice high value coupon. We have some more advertisement here. We have Garnier Fructis. There's those ones right over here. And you can just have a look there. The Uncle Ben's Rice and Pulses, fueled with flavor. Buy two Uncle Ben's Rice and Pulses, get one free. So great matchup with sales. Buy any 5 Whiskas wet cat food and get 5 free. Save $3 on the purchase of any 1 bag of Whiskas of 3 to 9 kilogram bags. So that's a nice coupon again there. Some more advertisement. They always have this Zax cream. Never tried it. Save $1 off of 1 Nature's Truth aromatherapy product. The save 75 cents off of floss or flossers. Save $1 off gum soft picks. And with this coupon, I've received floss virtually free. And you can see here it has an awesome expiry date of March 31st of next year, 2019. And we have some more advertisements. And again, some more. And last but not least, we have Nature's Bounty. Save $3 off of any 2 Nature Bounty products. These are the actual gummies I use. These are really, really good. Or save $2 off of any 2 essential oil products. So this brings us to the end once again. Let me know down below if you received this insert. This was a surprise to me, but I thought I'd add it on to this one just in case you were not aware of it. And now I will officially say goodbye for now. Thank you again so much for watching and spending a little bit of your time with me. We'll talk very soon. Bye.